Yeah, that do something.
Don't tell Mama, huh?
Don't tell Mama about this house.
Mama found out she'd be mad.
That's that mad money.
I don't even tell her.
This was from the funds you don't know about.
You're gonna write me a better cell for it.
Yes, sir.
My secret stash.
I don't tell her that. How y'all want to try to load it?
Best way we can.
Pulled up right here to it. And
Yeah, you can pull it right there or whatever you're gonna do. And if you need to, you can go around the house like that.
Okay.
I'll go around the whole thing.
well, guys, I'm selling the Challenger. This gentleman came to look at the Roadrunner, and the satellite caught his eye. But then I don't think he can pass the deal up on this Challenger. It's worth way too much restored. Really rare car, RTSE. Only 253 known RTs, 1970, known to exist. So I got to run to the house and get.
Pull it around in case you want me to.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
I got forks on it right now.
I'm gonna go grab the truck with the engine on it.
Okay, we can lift it off your truck and set it down on it.
Yeah. Well, happy 4th of July to everybody out there.
It's like a hell of a deal to do that.
So just sold the Challenger. Having a good 4th of July. How is y'all's 4th of July going? Probably out in the lake somewhere. We was planning on going to the lake. We still might, you never know. So I gotta head back to the house to grab the red truck. It's got the engine still in the back of it, that 383 that we went to Oklahoma and got. So it goes with the Challenger. So running back to the house to grab that right quick, and then we're gonna go drop that off to these guys.
Yeah, we might not make it to the lake today.
Might not, I was hoping. Might do some
might, though.
fishing, or
Yeah.
I still haven't heard from Nick, so I don't know.
Yeah.
But
We'll figure it out here shortly.
we good on the money?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so here we are in the red truck. Got the engine in the back. I still haven't took either one of them out the truck. So heading back to Dad's.
Got your money, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to drop it off at the machine shop. Have it machine cleaned, board probably 20 over. It's a 1954 or 5.
All right.
331 Hemi.
That's bad, something.
Yeah, let's start unstrapping it. I got a chain right here. Marvelous, darling, marvelous. Okay, you can go straight back. Pee Wee, jump in the truck. Pull it forward. Nice and slow. You think you made the right choice?
Like I said, I'm a Dodge Challenger and Charger guy.
Right, all day long. But the problem with choices is America likes too many of them. So you're like a kid in a candy store.
Pulling up here.
Yeah, you're like a kid in the candy store. You really want it all, but you can't just have them all. Watch out.
Yeah.
That'll work. So he's getting the 1970 date coded 383. Goes with the Challenger. It's gonna be a real nice car when restored. He owns a 1970. So tell us about your 1970.
Oh, mine took a while to get here. Bought it from Florida. 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. 4 on the floor. Came with a little bit older restoration. Sent it over to Hoskins Machine Shop. They did the full rebuild on the motor. Went with a little bit upgraded cam, get it sound a little bit lopier, and then put a poly electronic fuel injector kit into it instead of the carburetor.
Right.
Help it run a little bit smoother.
And you have a 69 GTO, and he's got a 68 GTO.
Yes, sir.
You've got a 70 Challenger, and now he has a 70 Challenger.
Yes, sir. We're in competition.
That's cool, man. That's cool.
My father says we're a bad influence on one another. Come across anything else, you let us know.
I'd love to see what it looks like when it's all done.
Hi, guys. This is my sister.
Pretty high.
I appreciate it. Y'all check into the show. Y'all gonna be in my next episode.
I appreciate it.
Have a good, safe trip.
She's going to a good home back to Austin. Hey, man, send me some pictures of your Challenger and any other projects y'all got going on. And
GTL.
yeah, send me some pictures of it, man. Cool. Hey, y'all have a good one.
Is that right around front?
Yeah, if you can actually squeeze out right around there or whatever you want to do, or
Whichever's easier, y'all are.
yeah, you can go out that way and go through the front yard, I think. No problem. Happy 4th of July. Sold it.
I saw that.
Yeah, it's not bad at all, is it? Well, she's going to a new home. He's excited. I'm excited for him. I'm kind of sad to see the car go because me and P right here was talking about go ahead and throwing some money at it, turning it into something, right?
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, I think he can make it. I go out there before.
I don't went that way like
But yeah, we was talking about doing something to that one, wasn't we?
that. Yeah.
And that's the first one to leave.
Yeah.
I know that's what we was thinking. Let's go to the lake.
Take that roof off that boy, put a new one.
Uh-huh. Well, we still got these for sale. Still got the Roadrunner, the Duster, the little Scarab, and I got the 72 Plymouth Satellite. So anybody interested, I guess give us a call. We made it. Yeah, made it out here.